shopping for my baby girl, guys, and I absolutely love shopping at Carter's, and I'm gonna share with you what I picked up today, and also I'm gonna give you some tips on how to save money when shopping in those stores. All right.
I've been pushing work all summer.
If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now and tap the bell so you don't miss out on more videos like this one. So let's jump into this. All right, first of all, everything I picked up was off the clearance rack. Guys, big rule number one when you're shopping in any store, the very first thing that you must do is go directly to that clearance rack at the back of the store. Don't be ashamed, go there and you scavenger through and you look for things that are on sale. And so that's what I did. The second thing is that sometimes when you go in Carter's, I went to one of the outlets, and when you go in Carter's, you're gonna find things that are marked down and then they have an additional discount as well. You have coupons that you can find online, or anytime you shop in Carter's, they're gonna give you like a little coupon for shopping in. And sometimes they will restrict those, they will limit you from using them on sale or additional reduced items, but it's worth finding out regardless, so go ahead and use your coupons when you can. Another thing I noticed about Carter's, guys, is that they tend to do a lot of online sales, but some items they have online, you will see them online and then you check them back 2 days later, they're cheaper. You go in the store, they cost more in the store. Don't be afraid to have them price check. Like when you go in the store, if you saw an item online at a particular price, and when you went in the store, it was more in the store, have them find that online, because they will give you the price as marked online. They will honor that. So don't forget about asking for those as well. Take that phone out while you're in Carter's or any store and you check those prices. Let me jump into what I got for my baby girl. And all of these items, guys, I picked up for $5 and less. They were all $5 and less. And you know, the price is gonna show more. Like this shows $20 on it, but you know your girl didn't pay $20. Trust me, I did not. And one thing I must admit, their clothing tends to run big. Carter's, which is also Oshkosh, their clothing runs really big. My baby girl, she can fall between 9 to 12 months, but this, you know, this is an 18 months. If I'm buying new things, I'm gonna get an 18 months, and this is pretty big for her, but it's so cute, I couldn't pass it up. It's less than 5. Like I said, everything is 5 and below, right? What do you think? I love this little outfit for her. This is the most adorable, best Christmas ever. So it's a onesie, and then you have this little cute tutu with leggings on, and this was actually at 12 months, and I was all right. I mean, it was so cheap, I wasn't gonna leave it. And it says, best Christmas ever. And like I said, they're all 5 and below. I found this adorable little cheetah print. Well, I don't know what kind of print this is. Would you call this a cheetah print? I know a cheetah print is more of a round, but you know, it has like the prints going on. But this is so adorable. This little cute dress. It's 18 months and it has a little diaper cover just below. Isn't it adorable? This is an 18 months and this is still kind of loose for her. Okay guys, I know I should be purchasing winter things because we're in fall and it's getting cold, but I wasn't gonna leave this inside that store. This is $2. I got this for $2, right? $2. This is 18 months and I was not going to leave this. If you have a little one at home, they have these in 18 months and 24 months and they are stacked with a bunch of these. And I checked online and you're not gonna find this online for this price. So sometimes you gotta go in the store to get the better deals or to get that extra deep discount, right? This is so adorable. And once again, like I told you guys, I was looking for warm things, but I wasn't gonna leave this behind. We're just gonna have the heater on for a little bit inside. This is another little pajama set, and I got this for about $4.19. Yeah, $4.19. And I like that it's 2 pieces. I mean, it's 2 sets. I love that. And you know, my house is pretty warm. We keep the house warm even when it's winter. It's still nice and toasty inside. And this is perfect for little girl, for my little girl. And it's 18 months. I love, love, love that. How cute is it? And they had a ton. Let me repeat that. They had a ton of these. They had them in different colors. Now, if we were staying in a warmer climate, like guys, we are in the Midwest. So I wasn't gonna buy more. But if I was staying, if we were living in Louisiana, Florida, you know, someplace where it's nice and warm all the time, I would have racked up on these. I had a bunch of them in different styles and colors, and they were all for about $4. And then I picked up, guys, this cute, isn't this adorable little cardigan for my baby girl. She is going to look amazing in this. I know she's going to look so doggone it cute in this, well, right? Guys, that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you enjoyed my little shopping haul at Carter's. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and share this video with a friend or 2. And guys, check that clearance rack out. When you're shopping, don't be afraid to go right in and go to that clearance rack and get that deal. That's it for today. Remember, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah, 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 mwah. Switches until next time. Ciao.